How's it going, collectors? Gary with G John Sports here to do another video today. Today I'm going to do a Topps 2022 Topps Series 1 baseball blaster box. We're going to open it up here in just a few minutes. Of course, the box is 99 cards with a get it turned around here where we can see. Good, beautiful box. I'll show Shohei and Ohtani on the cover. Nice box there. Got the Topps logo with the plastic on there. We're going to open it up here in just a few minutes. It has 7 packs per box, 14 cards, plus the commemorative makes it a total of 99 cards. This year, of course, it does have the home run challenge. It's a 330 base cards in the set. Of course, everyone's looking for the Wonder Franco. There's Shohei and Ohtani also in the series, and some other stars. And this year has some greatest hits, which is basically 20 offensive performers from last year. These are the inserts. A Diamond Greats, which is 25 Legends, which is a die-cut design, which those are really beautiful cards. A Flashiest Feet, which is 15 pairs of custom cleats that you see a lot of these players wear these custom cleats now. So there's some really sharp cleats on there. A Turning 2 insert, which is your second base, shortstop double play combo. And then, of course, Welcome to the Show, which is looking back at rookie cards from current and former players. And it kind of digs into each star's specific road to the big leagues, which is a really nice insert. Then there's also a 3-card insert, or 3 series, I should say. Series 1, 2, and spread out across the update is the Generation Now, which is a 90-card set, beautiful set. So you can collect those. In the prior design year, this year is the 87 Topps baseball with the wood grain borders, which is a very nice set. It's a 35th year anniversary. It's hard to believe it's already been 35 years. That's one of the first sets that when I started collecting again, put together. And so there's some stars. So those are some really nice cards. There's also a Salute to the Mick, which would be a salute to Mickey Mantle, and I'm not sure if it's will be in the blaster boxes. But it's those are very limited and rare. I think it's I'm not going to really show all the odds of all this, but the Salute to the Mick is one in every 16,742 packs. So that's probably one of the more rare ones in the box. But of course, you have some relics and some autos. Not guaranteed an auto in here, just a relic card. But we'll go ahead and get this opened here and got to see what we get. Like I say, everybody's looking for the Wonder Franco. I know this has been out a few months now, and but we're gonna open it up and see what we get here. Get the plastic off. Get the packs out of here. Guess you can tell I'm kind of a Braves fan. I'll stack them right here. Let's open up the first one here and see what we get. Get this plastic out of the way. Looks like we got stars of MLB Brian Hayes on the back. It's a good card. We got first one, Eugenio Suarez, Tom Murphy, Brendan Rodgers, Chris Archer, Gregory Soto, Washington Nationals, Hernandez, Andrew Vaughn, Julio Urias, Jose Abreu, Kyle Kendricks. We do have a gold of Mauricio Dubon of the Giants. And it's like or blue, Zach Thompson of the Miami Marlins. And Stars of MLB. It's a beautiful card of Key Brian Hayes. That's pack number 1. Pack number 2. Mike Rosell. I may not say a lot of these names correct, of course, but Jose Altuve, Steven Matz, Jorge Soler with a big home run in the World Series last year, who has been traded. Yan Gomes, Enrique Hernandez, Pavin Smith, Merrifield. Turn these cards around here so we can see. Yu Darvish, who pitched against the Braves the last night or night before for the San Diego Padres. Martin Perez, Mitch Keller. There's the Slugger reunion. That's that Mr. Wonder Franco. Corbin Burns, which is our first 87 look back, and another Stars of MLB of Luis Robert. Go to pack number 3. Get it open here. Corey Seager, Ian Happ, Brian Anderson, Alek Manoah, Bo Bichette, beautiful action photo. Zach Lowther. Some of these names are hard to pronounce. Minnesota Meetup, Otani, and Maeda. Wins leaders. Freddie Galvis, Mitch Moreland, McCormick, Iglesias. And it's like we've got us a silver card here of the San Diego Padres. And then our Stars of MLB, Christian Yelich. Not bad so far, but let's see what. He's turned around here. Travis Shaw, Tony Santillan, the rookie card. The rookie logo is so small this year, it's really kind of hard to. Wade Miley, Dubon, American League, Otani and Trout. Tyler Stevenson, rookie cup with a rookie cup sliding into home. That's another great action photo. John Means, Greg Holland, Stroman, Lars Nootbaar, which is also a rookie card. Stars of the New York Yankees, Aaron Judge, Max Kepler, and our first Generation Now card of Shane Bieber. And our Stars of the MLB, Mike Trout. Beautiful looking card. Hope he can stay healthy and get to play a lot this year. Been unhealthy the last had injuries the last few years, and I think we got a nice card here on the back of this one. The next stars of the MLB. We got Rodon, Mateo, Hunter Renfroe, Spencer Howard, rookie of Tyler Gilbert of the Diamondbacks, Nolan Arenado, who I think is kind of an underrated player. He's a real good player for the St. Louis Cardinals. Peter Alonso, another home run hitter. Drew Ellis, rookie card, Arizona Diamondbacks. Looks like Bryce Harper on a walk-off. Beautiful card, a good action photos. Have some great action photos this year. Raleigh, Cal Raleigh, Seattle Mariners rookie. Luis Robert, Chicago White Sox. I know I'm not saying that name correctly, but Mike Yastrzemski, great baseball name. Alberto of the Kansas City Royals, and our star of Major League rookie card. Not the one we're looking for, but we'll take it. Wonder Franco. Beautiful card there. Just leave that card up right there. Well, I can hold on to the sleeve here. Get that bad boy sleeved up. It may make the stand. All right, two packs left to go. There was Cedric Mullins, Zach Wheeler, Castro rookie card from the Pirates, Trey Mancini, Matt Olson, now a Brave. Also Braves RBI leaders, Duvall, Riley, and Albies. A strikeout leaders. Toronto Blue Jays, Bo Bichette. Chris Flexen of the Mariners. Alex Bregman. Vladdy Guerrero. Beautiful card. Looks like he may have just hit one out of the park. Garrett Hampson. Uh-oh. Let's see what we have here. We have a jersey card, and I think if you can read upside down, you already see who it may be. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it around. It's a medallion card of, that's our medallion of Ronald Acuna. So that is the medallion, his jersey number 13, commemorative jersey number medallion of Ronald Acuna Jr. And I know he starts a rehab assignment, I believe, tonight. So maybe we'll see him back in Atlanta in just a short time. Hopefully he does well. But beautiful card. And our 87 is Ke'Bryan Hayes. Beautiful card. And our stars of MLB, Garrett Cole, the New York Yankees. Down to our last pack. What we get here. Zach Short, Andrew Haney, Miguel Sano, Matt Verling, which is a rookie, Trevor Story, Josh Reddick, Brett Gartner. I think Topps photographers love sliding into home. Those two pictures there. We've got Tyler Glasnow, Mike Zunino, Cesar Hernandez, Adam Wainwright, Joey Votto, who I think is another underrated player, great player for the Reds. And our home run challenge is Mitch Haniger of the Mariners, which is our home run challenge card, and Jazz Chisholm, who is our Stars of MLB card. And that's going to do it, I think, for this break. I'm going to try to break another one, open another box in a day or so. I do have another blaster box of Topps. May try to do a video of it, but probably the two recap of just probably the two best cards of the deal is of the box was Stars of MLB Wonder Franco, and the Ronald Acuna commemorative jersey medallion is a beautiful card. Then the Wonder Franco, they have a glare, but just a beautiful card. Wasn't the Wonder Franco we were looking for, but that's a good one. So that's going to do it for this break, box opening, and so we will do another one probably maybe tomorrow, and just want everybody to keep on collecting, enjoy the hobby, and we'll see you next time. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, let me know how I did, and I will see you next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.